Did you know the original name of God was removed from Scripture? Not once or twice, but over 6,800 times. What was removed? It's like a mystery waiting to be uncovered, right? The name is Yahuah, spelled in ancient Hebrew. It's the name he gave Moses in Exodus 3:15. This is my name forever, and my remembrance to all generations. Who changed it and why was it erased? It began with Jewish scribes who feared saying the name out loud. They replaced Yahuah with Adonai, meaning Lord. Later, Greek and Latin translators followed suit. The sacred name became Kyrios, Dominus, and eventually Lord. But here's the truth. Nowhere did Yahuah say to change his name. What do scriptures really say? Sing praises to his name, Yahuah. Psalm 68:2-4. I have revealed your name. John 17:2-6. Then I will restore to the peoples a pure language. Zephaniah 3:9. And these aren't just verses. They're prophetic clues pointing to a spiritual awakening. We've just scratched the surface, and there's so much more to explore, right? Like, share, and subscribe to Names of Power and uncover the truth hidden for centuries. Want to go deeper? Get the full ebook, Restoring the Sacred Names, now on Amazon Kindle. Let's walk together in spirit, in truth, and in the name of Yahuah Shalom.